अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम बैक टू द व्लॉग होप एवरीवन इज़ गुड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं भी ठीक हूँ एंड आई एम होपिंग एवरीवन मस्ट बी डूइंग ग्रेट एंड अगर आप लोगों को पता हो कि मैंने लास्ट व्लॉग में आई सेड that I told you guys about my Riyadh marathon that I participated in Riyadh marathon और ये उस दिन का व्लॉग है जिस दिन मैंने फ़िल्म किया था जिस दिन रियाद मैराथन था अगर आप लोगों को पता नहीं है तो मैं बताती चलूँ कि मैंने लास्ट व्लॉग में आपको बताया था कि मैंने पार्टिसिपेटेड किया है रियाद मैराथन में एंड आई एम गोइंग टू बी फिनिशिंग माई 10K रन and I've been doing training for last 2 months and I've been running like past 1 year and it's been a while. Yes. आज का दिन रियाद मैराथन का इवेंट था और मुझे जाना था और मुझे 10K अपनी रनिंग करनी थी, मुझे 10K कंप्लीट करनी थी रनिंग और यू गाइस इतने सारे लोग थे आई वाज सो सरप्राइज्ड टू सी so many people, like they were like 40 to 40,000 estimated, really came to know. और काफ़ी सारे स्टेज सजाए हुए थे, काफ़ी सारे इवेंट्स थे एंड बहुत अच्छे से अरेंज किया हुआ था लाइक लोगों के लिए बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ थी लाइक बॉक्सिंग and there were so many activities, like really I was so surprised and everybody was like taking part in every single activity and I really loved it, seriously. And I was so happy to see all of the things like this, seriously, and especially in Riyadh, and this makes me really happy. And yes, and I hope and इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ होती रहें, like inshallah, like I want such activities to be happen more often, you know. And I was so happy to see all of the people. Wow, they were like mashallah enjoying so much, and I myself personally I was enjoying so much. आज रियाद मैराथन था दिन और 10K रन था, 4K था, कुछ लोग 4K कर रहे थे, कुछ लोग 10K कर रहे थे। मैंने जो पार्टिसिपेट किया था वो 10K रन में किया था एंड कुछ जो एलीट एथलीट्स थे वो 20K भी कर रहे थे और कुछ थे वो आई गेस वो 40K. यस, दे वर सम ऑफ द elite like athletes, they participated in 40K as well. And काफ़ी सारे लोगों को प्राइस रिवॉर्ड्स भी मिले थे जिन्होंने जो elite athletes होते हैं. आई थिंक दे केम फ्रॉम सम अदर प्लेसेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, आई थिंक सो, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. यस, मैं सुबह 7:30-8 बजे मेरा वेकअप था एंड 7:30-8 बजे मैं पहुंच गई थी इस इवेंट में. दिस इवेंट हैपेंड इन समवेयर लाइक नियर रियाद बॉलीवुड and there were lots of people, you guys. I'm not even joking, seriously, it was really hard in the beginning to even walk or something, but slowly gradually we picked up, we picked up the pace and everything. और काफ़ी सारे लोग थे और डिफरेंट फॉरेनर्स और डिफरेंट लोकल्स और सब मिलजुल के we were like united and with each other and yes, so we really had a very good time, seriously, mashallah. And I'm so happy that I went to this event and I achieved what I wanted. And मैं चाहती हूँ, I really want कि such kind of events should be happen more often in Riyadh and overall in Saudi as well. So yes, इस तरह के events आपको encourage करते हैं, आपको it makes more active, like it's kind of a challenging, and it's all about health and focus and अपने goals achieve करना. Or it's kind of a good activity. It's like very focusing kind of activity. So running, it's really a good activity, I must say this. And I've been running like for like past 1 year and I've been loving so far, really. And inshallah very soon, inshallah, in future, you never know, I will participate in more marathons. And yes, हमारी जो है रेस शुरू हो गई थी, I think around 9 o'clock in the morning. Yes, So everybody was so pumped up. Everybody was so excited, and everybody was running and having their own pace. And I myself, really, I was running, and it was very good experience, you guys. And really, this race, really, it was such a, I cannot even like express you. I cannot even explain you, really. So it's really good. And बहुत लोग enjoy कर रहे थे, बहुत अच्छी arrangement की हुई थी इन्होंने, like कुछ stations बनाए हुए थे refreshment के, जहाँ पानी और refreshment सब कर सकते हैं. So they were like people even supporting us, and you can see it in this footage. They were like cheering up. So हम, और फिर उसके बाद मैं थक भी गई थी थोड़े, like मेरे जब 7 के हो गए थे, तो I was like really struggling. But when I saw the others, and they were like pushing themselves, and they were just trying to make it finish, and they were like trying to complete their race and 10K. So I was like, okay, मुझे इनसे जोश मिल रहा था, and I was like having a some support. So फिर मैं भी अपने आप को push कर रही थी. And then finally, like within 1 hour and 50 minutes, yes, I completed my race, like 10K. And bas ye finish point tha, and I was like so dead, but I was so happy that I achieved this goal. And really, मैं आप लोगों को भी कहूँगी कि please try to go such events, and try to participate in such kind of activities as well, as much as you can, because it really improves your mental and physical and overall health, really. And आप दुनिया ही भूल जाते हो, seriously, you just focus like on this thing. So anyways, then finally I got my medal, and this is the first time ever I got the medal in my life. I never had any type of medal before, and I was so happy. So I will really cherish this moment forever in my life. And inshallah, if there will be more marathons, so I will definitely participate in those as well. So yeah. सो ये अरेंजमेंट मैं आपको दिखा रही थी, ये इन्होंने इस तरीके से पानी वानी रखा हुआ था, बहुत अच्छी अरेंजमेंट की थी इन्होंने, जो सऊदी स्पोर्ट्स आई थिंक फेडरेशन ऑफ सऊदी स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री की तरफ से, यस, बहुत अच्छी, बहुत गुड इन्होंने अरेंजमेंट रखी हुई थी रनर्स के लिए. एंड या उसमें डेट्स थी और बनाना और ये बार्स कुछ थे ओट मील के, after completing, so you can have a refreshment. So yes, there were so many people. And yeah, so after completing all the races, and after completing everything, after getting your medals and everything, so yeah. And these was the Gatorade, it's electrolytes, and it's good for the dehydration. So I took one Gatorade as well. So yes. सो जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, बहुत लोग थे, like mashallah, like around 40,000 people, they participated in Riyadh Marathon. And yes, everybody was there, everybody was so dead tired, seriously. जब आपने running complete कर ली, so you're so tired, and everybody was on the ground. They were just taking deep breaths, and they were just resting. So मैं भी बस बहुत थक गई थी. I was also very tired, and I was so sweaty. You can see me, like I was literally burned. But I loved everything, and I love this event. It's a memorable type of event in my life. And yes, मैंने फिर कुछ selfies ली, मैंने कुछ pictures लिए, और yes, उस दिन काफ़ी मौसम बहुत अच्छा था. Like it was cold weather, but it was sunny at the same time as well. So yes. सो जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया कि इस इवेंट में काफ़ी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ हो रही थी. और ये सेंट्रम है, जो कि सप्लीमेंट, इट्स अ ब्रांड, एंड इट्स अ गुड सप्लीमेंट्स एज वेल. they were, I think, giving the free samples or something. I don't know, but I didn't had that much time. I was like heading back to the home because I was already so very tired after a long run and after a long day I spent over here. But yes, everything went so smooth, and I love this event so much. And I really appreciate whatever the arrangements they have made it, and they really facilitate people seriously. And mashallah, I liked everything about this event seriously. And yes, you can see a lot of people were there. So जिनकी races complete नहीं हुई थी, they were like starting like 4K. कुछ लोग जो थे वो 4K start कर रहे थे little
And I just
late.
took shower and I had my food, I had my lunch. So I wanted to show you, this is the one medal which I got it after finishing 10K in marathon, and really mashallah, I'm so happy today, and alhamdulillah, you know, seriously, all the hard work and, you know, it really paid you off. Seriously, whatever the training and whatever the hard work, I did it for a few months. I was like doing it, and yes, it really paid off. So yes, I finished 10K, and today is 8th of February. It's very emotional, and it's I don't know how to express the feelings, but I'm very very happy, mashallah. It was physically and it was mentally battle, seriously, to be very honest with you. Like last 3K, though, it was so difficult for me. It was so difficult for me. Like, oh my God, like मैं pace पकड़ती थी. I was fast, like I was trying to be fast, like मैं complete कर सकूँ. फिर मैं slow हो जाती थी, फिर मेरा slow pace हो जाता था. So it was a quite struggle जो last 3K थे marathon K, and I'm so glad that I finished like it's 10K, and I'm very very happy. And this was my first marathon. This was my first marathon, but definitely it's not gonna be my last. So inshallah, in coming marathons, I will try to participate. And yes, I'm very very happy. सो आप लोगों को भी मैं इनकरेज करूँगी कि आप लोग इस तरीके से इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करते रहिए और इनकरेज करें सबको और सपोर्ट करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.